Dusty Knuckle Bakery is a purpose-driven business where we make great foods and support vulnerable young people into work. We started in 2014 because we wanted to improve prospects for young people with a background in crime but who are ready to make a change. We do this by providing training and employment in a buzzing food operation where they learn to play a part and develop a sense of pride.
Essentially, we'd like to show that exceptional standards in food and at work can be achieved by people from all walks of life. By making the Dusty Knuckle bigger, we're able to maximise our capacity to help support the young people that need it.
It's been a long journey since we've been making bread out of a shipping container and selling sandwiches out of a hole in the wall. But we now have 43 employees and we make over 5,000 loaves a week. But for us, the Dusty Knuckle boils down to two things. We make delicious food and we support young people back into work.
In early 2020, we were cooking up plans for a second Dusty Knuckle in North London. But like most hospitality businesses, the pandemic hit us hard. We had to be agile and creative to keep our business strong, but it took our team quite close to its limits. The opportunity has now returned to get the plan back on track with a second Dusty Knuckle café in Green Lanes, North London. We really want to open this site, but to do so we'll also need to enlarge the production space in Dalston because capacity there is maxed out. To make this leap, we need your help. We're running a crowdfunder so you can get on board with this project too. Check out our amazing rewards. There's weekly bread deliveries to your house for a year, or private baking classes for you and your pals. Or how about an outdoor dinner for 6 at one of our legendary summer pizza nights? Guys, don't miss out on your chance to get behind the Dusty Knuckle Bakery, and thank you for supporting our cause.